Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pancakes using bread. First, gather your ingredients: bread, milk, and eggs. You'll also need a small bowl and a whisk. This method is perfect for using up leftover bread and creates a surprisingly delicious breakfast. It's a simple and quick way to enjoy a warm, fluffy treat without a traditional pancake mix. Let's get started with the preparation. Next, let's prepare the bread. Tear 2 slices of bread into small pieces and place them in a shallow dish. Now, pour about 1/4 cup of milk over the bread pieces. Allow the bread to soak for 2 to 3 minutes until it softens. This step is crucial for achieving a smooth batter. The bread will absorb the milk, becoming easy to mash and mix. Now it's time to create the batter. Add 1 egg to your soaked bread and milk mixture. Using a fork, mash and mix all the ingredients together thoroughly. Continue mixing until you achieve a smooth, thick batter with no large bread lumps. This consistency is key for perfectly cooked pancakes. It should resemble traditional pancake batter, ready for the griddle. Finally, let's cook these delicious bread pancakes. Heat a lightly oiled pan over medium heat. Pour 2 to 3 tablespoons of batter for each pancake, shaping them nicely. Cook for about 2 minutes per side, or until they are golden brown and cooked through. Serve your warm pancakes immediately with syrup, fruit, or any topping you love. Enjoy your easy, homemade breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.